In technology world, blockchain is getting its heist because of its decentralized nature of applications. In this video, we will look after blockchain technology, its applications, and how it works. Hello friends, welcome to Technology Crash. Let's split blockchain in two pieces. Block and chain, that represents chain of blocks. It's used to store and verify transactions of cryptocurrencies. Before you need to know about how blockchain works, I would like to explain it with an example. Let's suppose there are two people sitting on the bench. Person A has owned an apple. He has total control of this apple. He can eat it or give it to someone. Let person A give this apple to person B. Then, it becomes in the ownership of person B, and he has total control on this apple. He can eat it or give it to someone, but person A has no more control on this apple. That's simple. We don't need to ask anyone else to verify this transaction that person A gave an apple to person B. Now what if there is a digital apple? Simply, person A give it to person B. But what if person A already made digital copies of it and give it to someone else too? How can we verify this? One possible solution is to use a ledger or register to note it down this transaction. Most important action is, this ledger should be verified by several people that person A has only one apple, and he gave it to person B. Now, person A has 0 apple and person B has 1. This is decentralization. It is explained as that, not a single person or entity hold complete transaction details like our banks do. In other words, blockchain is the process from centralization to decentralization. From above example, hopefully, you got my point that how blockchain works. The process of blockchain is, when someone make transaction, it makes a block. The next step is, to calculate hash key of this block and store it on the top of next block and so on. Always remember, only same and matched hash keys can form a blockchain. If someone manipulate the block and change a single value of transaction, its hash key will be changed, and it will not match with that hash key, which is stored in the next block. Many people verify that in block will be corrected or abolished. Now, what applications we can make with blockchain technology? In our daily life, every transaction depends on a trusted centralized person. Either, it will be a purchase of a car, a house or whatever. What if the ownership will be stored in a public ledger and everyone can verify it, that a person 1 owned a house, he sold it out to person 2. The record will be updated on a decentralized location and everyone can verify it. By blockchain technology, you can able to resolve most of the corruption issues that made in the society for these transactions. That's all. Please let me know in the comment box if you have any ideas for a blockchain application. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get more updates.